there? Woo!
The kingdom of Uhuala will ever remain in darkness, will ever remain without a king. Since up to this moment, no one has been able to find the sacred box. That sacred box is the royal symbol of this kingdom. That is a symbol of royalty for this great kingdom. And you are all aware of this.
The wise one. For more than 3 decades now, our kingdom has been without a king. We have been looking for this sacred golden box everywhere. Yes. But no one seems to find it.
Yes.
Wise one, tell us, is there any other alternative? Where can we find this sacred golden box? And who will find it? We want to know.
That's the big question.
You see, our rich sons and daughters, they are all unhappy. Give us an answer. We need a solution, wise one of Uhuala Kingdom.
The river does not flow backwards. I don't know. And I am not going to make any consultation on that. The sacred box cannot develop wings and fly out of this kingdom. The sacred box has not departed from this kingdom. However, whoever that finds the sacred box and returns it to this abode of the gods shall be your king. Be it male or female, young or old, strong or weak, stranger or son of the soul, whoever, that person automatically becomes your king or your queen. That is the decision of the gods. And that is final.
Even a stranger.
No one questions the gods. These are the words of the gods, and these words are final.
So we will continue to live without a king.
Go in search of the sacred box. Find it and return it to the abode of the gods. And your story will change for you.
Okay.
Remain in darkness.
It pains me to my bone marrow that our kingdom does not have any king or a queen.
For over 30 years.
30 years.
This is terrible.
Hey.
Terrible.
And we are even shut down from getting dividends and recognition from the government.
Yes.
We are not regarded as a kingdom. And we are being laughed by other kingdoms that were even better than.
Hey. King Maduka, wherever you are, your soul will not find peace wherever you are for raping and killing that innocent orphan. No peace for you.
Yes.
Just look at what you have done. Look at what you have done to our good kingdom. Just imagine. Oh, King Maduka.
And the sacred golden box vanished from the palace.
Yes.
On the eve of the festival, he couldn't even bring it out.
How would he be able to bring it out? He committed an abomination. Huh? How can he rape and murder a daughter of this kingdom? He did not only commit incest. He went against the rule of the land. And the god of the land descended on him with their wrath and destroyed him and his family. And that's how it's supposed to be.
Yes.
He will not find peace.
What is the meaning of this dream? Who is this person that attacked me like this in my dream? I've never been this scared in my life before. And I stay alone in this house. Grandma has left me. Nobody is with me here. I'm just alone. God, please help a poor orphan like me. Don't let anything happen to me, Lord. I'm scared right now. I'm so scared. Please don't leave me, Lord. Please protect a poor orphan like me, please.
We know that you are not a stranger in this our kingdom. As a matter of fact, you are the true son of the soil. And you know the history of our tradition. You see, what you've just said, we've already went to Ezemo to discuss it. But it's not budging. He refused.
Elders, my fathers, for how long are we going to dwell in this darkness? How long? This is a new era, and yet we are still far behind. Can we forget about this little golden box that disappeared 30 years ago and move on? We need a king. We need someone to rule this kingdom. And that is why I came back from Poland to rule my people.
My son, please, calm down. Calm down. We are all saying the same thing. Every one of us. But let me tell you, we have a very strong tradition. You see, you cannot step into that palace and come out alive. Hence, you are not with the sacred golden box. You don't have it, you are gone. And we don't want to lose you.
Don't tell me that. No one is going to lose me.
Oh.
Yes. Ezemo has to prefer an alternative. Hence, we cannot find the golden box. And we desperately need a king. Ichie, we need a king. Yes.
It is said that the words of the gods are words of warning.
That's true.
However, what do you intend to do and what is your next line of action?
I want to go and see Ezemo right now.
Better. I think it's better.
Let me tell you one thing. Yes. Hold on this year. It's like this little money he has is scattering his head. Our palace It's more spiritual than he thinks so.
Mm.
Let someone warn his mother before she loses her son. Akamari Kwaya, that he is my nephew does not mean. This one he's doing now, I'm not in support to. I am not in support, black and white.
Talk to him.
I don't need to talk to him because he
your
doesn't
nephew.
want to listen.
He's your nephew.
What kind of nonsense nephew is that? He cannot listen. It does not mean.
He's your nephew.
Does it mean that we cannot say the truth?
Oh, we've told him now.
Hey, take it easy now. You're mad! Easy! Why would you be crossing the road carelessly? Do you want me to kill you? Hey, madam, calm down now. That was harsh. Can't you see she's blind? I don't fucking care if she's blind or not. Next time you cross the road carelessly, I'll crush you to death. Madam, thank you. It's me. Thank you. It's me. Madam, why are you? It's okay. It's okay. Why are you? It's okay. Wait. It's me. Madam, thank you. Madam, thank you then. Madam, thank you. It's okay. Wait, I'm not the one now. Hold on. Hey, hold on. She's gone. Wait. It's here. Give it from me. Okay, hold on. I'm coming. Give it to me. I'm helping you to pick it. Give it to me. Yes.
Look, I'm sorry for what happened. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm feeling better now. You said she's a princess.
Yeah, she looked like a princess. In fact, I'm certain she's a princess.
So she's a princess and she was behaving like a tout. Princess my foot. How can a princess be so mean to her fellow woman? Am I the cause of her problem? I just pray that God saves her. Because that was uncalled for. So uncalled for.
I know. It's alright. It's okay. At least it's bygone now. Bygone now. So, is this your house?
Yes, this is my house. Okay. Who are you? I've been talking to you from the road. I don't even know you.
My name is EKENE. I was walking down the road when everything happened, so I had to intervene.
EKENE?
Yes.
That name does not sound familiar. Our people don't answer such name. Seems like you're not from this community.
Indeed, you're right. I'm not from here. I'm from a faraway land.
Oh, wow. So, what are you looking for in our community?
I just needed to change location. That's all.
You want to change location?
Yes. Can I help you sell your fufu at least so you just stay home and rest?
No, there's no need for it.
No. I insist. I can really help you do it.
No. There's no need for that at all. No, see, don't pity me because of my condition. Me, I'm strong. I've been the one selling it. I can do things. Don't pity me. I don't like people pitying me because of my condition.
It's not pity. At least I saw you were fighting somebody, so I know you're strong.
I was not fighting her. She misbehaved.
Well, it's okay.
She was insulting somebody.
I really want to help. I just want to be friends.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You said your name is Chimtwa, right?
Chimtwaram Florence Onoa.
Young man, what you're looking for is not just difficult but impossible. You don't bribe the gods for anything whatsoever. Think well about what you wish for yourselves. For what an old man sees while sitting down, you youth can climb to the top of an iroko tree, yet you will not see it.
How much will I pay? Ezemo, everything needs money. The gods need money. Humans, everyone, even you, Ezemo, you need money. Let's go with money, wise one. Let's leave this and go with money.
Ah! How dare you speak money here? Udena buranu, udena buranu ndimbugeria, udena buranu. If you think money can bribe you away, it's not possible. Not here. Go and search for the sacred box. Bring it. That is the only way. Find the box. Bring it. You cannot bribe the gods.
We have been searching for this box for more than 3 decades now. Ezemo, we have been searching for this box. Even the gods have refused to reveal it to anyone. See, Ezemo, let's go digital. Let go of the past. See, I can provide anything. Even if the gods want heads of 7 virgins, male or female, I'm ready. Ezemo, we need a king. We need a king, and I want to be the king of this kingdom. I'm ready. Ego in a boot. I even came prepared.
Stop. Stop. Go search for the box. This is not a question of bribing the gods. We have seen millionaires, billionaires, our sons and daughters of this land who have made money. If it is something money can solve, you wouldn't be here. People would have taken the position. How dare you?
Name your price. I came prepared. Let's go with money. Ezemo, if I have my check here, call your name. Is it Ezemo? Ezemo, let's go with money. Leave all these things you are saying. The gods need money. You need money.
Udena burano, udena burano, udena burano, udena burano, udena burano.
You said you would pave way for me. You told me back in Poland that when we come back to Nigeria, you will become king of your kingdom. Now you're telling me about some missing freaking golden box. What is wrong with you?
Adora, calm down. Calm down. I thought I would have my way. I thought I could bribe the Ezemo and the elders. Of course I offered the Ezemo money. Lots of money. But the old hag blatantly refused.
Listen, I didn't come all the way from Poland to this place for nothing. We had a deal. You and I were on a mission. And if it flops, we'll become object of ridicules. There'll be no ovation, there'll be no recognition. We will not be lords and mayors of that country. Listen, we are here to make more money. More wealth. Let's use our high status and milk money from these people. Look, baby, we can achieve this. It's very possible.
I understand. But then, I have to look for that golden box. I have to find it.
You will not find it. Because it's spiritual. You know what? I think I have a plan. We will try it and see if it will work.
So what's the plan?
Oh, come on. Is it not me again? It's me now. Of course I miss you. I miss you, my sugar plum. Okay, you want us to link up? Of course you know I'm always available for you. I have all the time for you. Just tell me the place, the time, and the venue. Yes, I'll be there. ASAP. And I will give it to you how you want it. How do you want it? Tell me. You want it from the back? From the front? From the side? I know you like it from the back.
Monachi! Where is this useless girl? Eh?
Yes.
Where is she? Monachi! Hey! What are you still doing inside? Oh. Monachi, what are you still doing in the room? So you're not going to sell my abacha for me today?
Mama, I told you last night I'm sick. I am having a headache and stomach ulcer. Please let me go to market tomorrow. I don't have strength for today's market. Please.
Hey! Wonders will never end. Amaurotic! Amaurotic, come! Amaurotic, come and hear what this stupid girl is saying.
Mama, what is it?
Just imagine. I asked Monachi to go and sell my abacha. Do you know what she said? I'm not feeling all right. Please let me go tomorrow and sell it. So my abacha should waste. That I should go and sell it myself.
What?
Is that what you mean?
Wait. Is something wrong with you? Are you mad? How dare you tell my mother to go and sell abacha? Huh? Are you stupid?
No. I did not tell her to go and sell the abacha.
Mama, this girl has lost it all.
No. I did not tell her to go and sell abacha. I told Mama last night that I'm not feeling fine. I'm having a headache and fever. Mama did not give me money to go and buy drugs.
Did you give me money?
Now the thing is getting worse. Please, let me go tomorrow. I can't go today. Please.
Hey! So what you are trying to tell me is that my abacha should waste because you are not well.
Can you imagine?
Madam! Remove this thing! Remove it!
Go and
sell it!
Mama,
inside.
I will die. I'm
Go
not
carry that
strong.
abacha. Who cares? Who cares if you die?
Let me go to...
See, you want to faint? It's better you die! Monachi, die! But before you die, make sure that you have sold my abacha to the last drop. Give me the money. You can go out or go... No, you go outside and die. Who cares?
He has got so.
Just imagine. Can you imagine? My abacha should work. She's sick.
That she's sick.
How will I get money? Look. Yeah? Mwah. Let's go. Come on.
Mama, I'm coming.
Adoma.
Come. Wait for me, I'm coming. Mama.
Where are you going to?
I want to see one of my friends that just came back.
From abroad.
That's night.
Hey! No. Levels don't go.
Mama.
You tell why?
Yes, Mama.
Adukum. Uncle Akasia. Hello, we
Mama, check me out.
Hi. Just look at everything well packaged. When are you coming back?
I don't know, Mama, but I'll call you.
You'll call me.
Yes.
It's okay, no problem. Make sure you bill him well. Get enough money from him. And while coming back, make sure you get some things for me like isiegu, nkwobi, fish barbecue, and which other one? What do they call that? Shawarma.
Mama, I will buy you everything. I will even add that one, you know, parfait.
Parfait.
That one now,
that sweet one that you
bam.
Oh, no. You know what your mother likes now? Make sure you buy those things
Mama,
for
let me go, please. I love you.
Bye.
Oh,
be careful, oh.
Of course I will.
Be careful. How? Catch them while you are young. This is your time, oh. Don't waste it. Make use of it very well. One go. And I'm a ticket number one. Oh. It reminds me when I was younger. Wish this time can turn back and I will be anyway. Whatever I want, my daughter will do it for me.
Who is that? It's me. It's Ikemba. It's me.
Ikemba?
Eh?
You are back so soon.
Yes, so I'm back. And guess what?
What?
I sold all the fufu. I did.
Where's the fufu?
No, this is the bucket. I was able to sell everything.
Hey!
See your money. See, wait, put your hand. See the money.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey, Ikemba. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hope you have eaten.
No, not at all, but I'm fine. I'm fine.
No, that's not good now. You've been working, you're supposed to eat. Why are you saying you've not eaten? You would have collected money from here now to buy food in the market.
No, I needed to just come back with it. I'm fine. I will sort myself.
I don't like it. But I made a goosey soup. Let me go and dish for you.
You cook?
Yes, I cook.
Yeah.
My grandmother taught me how to cook.
That's so good, though. Okay, if you insist, then I see you're about taking water to shower. Let me pour water for you.
No. I can do this all by myself. Don't do that now. You've been working since.
It's okay. I insist. Why are you going to get the food? I'll pour water for you.
Kimba, you like working out.
It's okay.
You overwork yourself.
It's okay. I'll do it. Just run along, yeah?
Yeah, no, if you say so.
Is your stick?
No, it's my stick I'm looking
for.
Yes. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You want to go in?
No, I know my way.
Okay.
I know how to.
Take it easy.
Kimba, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for trusting me.
Kimba, thank you.
You're welcome. Hey! Nyoma. Hey! This food was wonderful. Wow!
Thank you. You enjoyed it.
The best so far.
You're flattering me this time. Which one is good?
I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Did you spit out the food?
No. I was just rinsing my mouth now. So I will not talk to you and be perceiving soup.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I did. It's the best so far.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Are you sure?
Of course.
If it's not sweet, let me know. Thank you.
It's really nice.
That is my grandmother taught me.
Indeed, she did. You know, I was surprised when you told me you cook. You didn't have to see my face. But she did. So yeah, How come I've not seen anyone around here?
I thought I've told you my story before. I live alone. My parents died when I was 2 years old. That's what my grandmother told me. She said they died in a car accident. They returned back for my grandfather's burial. On their way back to the city with me, they had a very terrible accident, which claimed their lives and made me blind.
I'm sorry. Oh.
And since I was 2 years old, I've been blind.
2?
Yes. And my grandmother said she took me to the hospital she could, and she even took me to government hospital. But nothing. They couldn't do anything. They said it's beyond them. That's why I've been blind since then. Till now.
Oh, Chi. I'm so sorry. I'm deeply sorry for all that has happened to you.
It's okay. You don't need to be sorry. I guess sometimes life is fair to some people and unfair to some. I guess life is just unfair to me. But it's okay.
You know, regardless of this whole thing, you still find a way to still smile. You're really strong.
I have no choice but to smile. Enough. I don't know anything about you, so tell me about yourself.
Okay. You already know my name is Ikemba. My mother is still alive.
Oh.
My father is late.
Chai.
Yes, I'm the only son with a sister.
You have a sister?
Yes.
Is she beautiful?
She's as pretty as you are.
As I am. That means I'm beautiful.
Babe, how can we frame the sacred golden box and give it to Izimo, saying this is the golden box that could not be found for more than 25 years? How?
You just said he asked you to go look for the golden box, right?
Yes.
So literally we have found it. Give him something. Try to convince him. Make him understand that you have found the little golden box. That's all. Just give it a try.
Baby, this is very spiritual. You can't play fast one on the gods. See, I'm more desperate than you are. But when it comes to this level, there are certain things you don't do. Or are you suggesting we play fast one on the gods? Are you?
Which gods? The gods exist. There is no such thing as gods. Alright? You have to give it a try. I am a princess. I want you to become king because I want to be queen. So we have to give it a trial.
But then we don't even know the content inside this secret golden box. We don't know. The risk is high.
I have a great seer. He will let me know what is inside the golden box. Alright, all I want you to do for me is give it a trial. That's all. Do it for me.
Alright, it's fine.
You're a big man. You have made money. We have to try this one. You know there's a huge benefit that comes along with the golden box, right?
I understand that. Alright, it's fine. Let's do this.
Who knows tomorrow? Girls work be to do.
Come. You be like say this girl, they don't give her 9 months. What is wrong with you? Why would they talk nonsense coming for your mouth? Why they behave like this? Yeah, man. You know, she say she don't like the hair like this since. Why is she like this now? Yeah, man. It's like this sickness is serious today. Marty.
Please, I'm coming.
Mama. Who knows tomorrow, Mama? Una. What? Why are you like this? It's like this sickness is serious today. Why don't you go home?
No, don't worry. I'll be fine. I am just cold and weak, but I'll be fine.
Cold and weak?
Yes.
Okay, in that case, let me go and get you some drugs. You can't be like this all day.
No, don't worry yourself. I'll be fine.
No. I'll go and get you drugs. And you'll take it and you're going to be fine, okay? Don't worry, you're going to be fine, my love. I'm coming, my love. Okay? At the come, let me go and get her some medicine.
No problem. Rush, you don't say what today yet.
Yes. I'm coming, eh?
Mona, sorry. Don't say they come with fever.
Get far down. Don't finish. I free.
It remains small.
Which can remain now?
That's nothing, just the door side. Why you carry that gear put for that motor?
What's up?
What if the owner come? What will you tell the person?
Guys, see, I'll take care of that. She's not feeling fine, so I need to put her in a place that she will relax very well. She can't be lying on the bench like that now. Come on.
So now from mechanic man to abacha man. So who now collect this money from this woman where they eat abacha?
I will collect it. I will undo that. That will not be issue. Any other problem?
Lover boy. Let me finish right now. Don't worry.
No, not finish them now.
But later, I will sing this song for you. Oga sorry.
Let me go and finish my work.
Oga sorry. It is an sorry. Now wait till I go tell you. It is an sorry. Pa.
It's okay. Don't worry, you're going to be fine since you have taken the drugs.
Thank you.
Yeah. But why did your mother not allow you to stay at home today? You are not feeling well at all. And your body is even hot.
My stepmother.
Wow. Your stepmother?
Yes.
What about your mother?
She died when I was 11 years old.
I'm very sorry about that. Very sorry. What about your father?
He left the house. My stepmother and my sister were giving him trouble. One day he decided to leave. He asked me to come with him, but I refused. Then he left.
Wow. This is so pathetic. I'm very sorry for that. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. Thank you so much for the medicine. I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I just want you to be fine. I can arrange a car for you so that you can rest very well. I don't want you to be lying here like this.
Oh, that's good of you.
So,
but I'm okay here. I want to wash over my goods.
Don't
I'm
worry,
fine.
don't worry. I'm going to take care of that for you.
Are you sure? What about your work?
Don't worry. Don't worry about me. Worry about your health right now. Okay? Come. How did you go?
I told you I'll find out.
You did?
I'm so excited. I can't wait to be queen.
Wow. So, what is inside the secret golden box?
Well, the seer said, white clouds and the feather of an eagle.
My son.
Uncle.
It's just a piece of immaculate white with a feather of an eagle inside one small sacred golden pot. A day before the festival, the king will unveil it to the community. Then the Ezemo will come and prove the purity of his leadership. But when the pot is found missing, the king will die immediately. That is the most dangerous issue about this. We can spend many years without king or queen. You understand?
Uncle.
I don't know why you came back. You see, you know about this. All of us have forgotten about this. I don't know why you came back, started looking for... And why? If I may ask, why do you want to be the king of this community?
Uncle, you already know that I want to be the king of this community. The rest is a long story.
Long story?
Yes.
Now listen to my advice. There's no way I can deceive you. If you can take my advice, go back to Poland where you came back from. Make more money there. You've gotten some cars. Make more money there. Come back home and develop our community. Go to the capital city. Build more hotels. Build even filling stations. Be yourself and forget this problem of kinship. I won't take it from you.
Uncle.
It's so strenuous.
Uncle, I don't know why you always advise against this. This kingship will benefit you. It's not as if you're going to be left behind.
My son, what I sit down and see, if you climb an iroko tree, you won't see it. I'm telling you, you cannot.
How do I do this right? What if Elizabeth finds out the golden boss is fake? Oh man, I'll be beheaded. The gods will strike me. I must go and fortify myself. Yes. I must have this power that will overcome the sight of Ezemo not to know about this plan. Yes. No. I must I really? It's alright. I should tell Odara also to fortify herself. No. I will not. The gods can go ahead and kill her. Yes, because she's not my type of girl. Once she's out of the way, I will invite Catherine to Nigeria and make her my queen. Yes. Please, dear God, may this work perfectly for me. I thought I should just die so that I can have my love Catherine. Yes. Just help me, God. Help me. Help me because I don't have the power to battle with her at the end. Help me.
You know, the seer is damn right. My uncle told me exactly what you just mentioned now.
So what are we waiting for? We have it.
So how are we going to get the feather?
Don't worry. The seer will do it for us. He will prepare everything for us. All you need to do is relax.
Babe, we need to slow down. Let's just calm down. I don't want any question springing up. I want to take my time before we present the box to Ezemo.
It's fine by me. Congratulations in advance, darling.
You are my queen, Jelema.
Thank you so much. I really had fun today. God bless you.
Thank you too. Thank you too. I had fun too. Thank you.
You know we are not friends, right? I don't have any friend in this village. Nobody wants to be my friend. They believe that my family is cursed. So I hope you are going to be my friend.
Chimito, you're my friend. Eh? You're my friend, okay?
Okay. Will you come tomorrow?
First thing in the morning. First thing in the morning, I will come and say, good morning, beautiful Chimtwa.
You call me beautiful. Am I beautiful? You're just flattering me.
I'm not flattering you. Chimtwa, you're beautiful. And not just so beautiful, you are smart and wonderful.
Nobody showers me with praises except my grandmother. She's the only one that used to shower me with praises. But now she's dead. This is the first time somebody's saying nice things to me in a while.
Anyways, your grandmother was right. Hmm? So I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Take care of yourself. Oh. Hmm?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. I like him. He's a good guy. He's a very nice person. I would like to see him every time. Ikemba, did you come back? Ikemba, are you there? Who is here? Is anybody here? Is anybody here? Ikemba! Ikemba! Did you come back? I felt the presence of someone here. I thought it was Ikemba. Who's there? Who? Who is here? Is anybody here? Who is here? Hello? Is anybody here? Is anybody here? Eh? Hey, why do I keep feeling the presence of someone around me? Eh? What kind of a problem is this?
Who is this one calling me? Why? By this time.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, okay gave me your contact.
Oh, Ogeche.
So I say let me call you to know how you're feeling now.
I am fine, sir.
Yes. Yes. No. I'm not at home right now. I came to return my customer's car. Yes. The one I was working on this afternoon. Yes.
Thank you for the drugs you bought for me. I really appreciate. Yes, sir. I'm a bit better. Yeah. I don't know you are the one calling me. I was sleeping.
Oh, okay. Please take good care of yourself, okay? Yes. I'll see you tomorrow. Siki girl. I'll see you. Alright. Take care of yourself, man. Bye.
Okay, sweet dreams. Bye.
Munachi! Munachi! Look at this useless girl. She's even sleeping. Come on, get up here. See, 1,000 naira is missing from my abacha money. Where is it? Woman, shut up! Oh! It has reached to the extent of you using my money to buy airtime so that you will be calling your chewing gum boyfriends, okay?
Mama, I did not take your money.
What do you mean you did not take my money? Don't you dare lie to me! Don't worry, just save your breath because I don't trust you anymore. I'm going to search your house here. I'm going to search everywhere.
Mama, I use it to pay tax first.
Tax first? 1,000 naira to pay tax first. Where do they do that one? A whole 1,000 naira for tax first. The medicine you bought today, where did you get the money to buy it?
It was Ogenche that bought it.
Hey! Wait, boom! Oh, Munachi, it has reached to the extent of you gossiping my name in this community, in this village.
Mama,
so you are telling people now that you were sick and I did not buy medicine for you.
Mama, don't do that, no.
You want to spoil me?
No.
Literally, maybe Aram.
No.
Come here. Come. So, each of maybe Aram. Eh? You want to spoil my name in this village? Or if you come here. Look at this girl. Come here and buy paper for me. Come here. You must go this night and buy paper.
What are you people doing here?
Every day now we dey beg you, make you give us this thing. You dey buga, you don't want to give us. But you see today, I ain't got to get fam.
Yes. And God have made you pass our way this night. What do we go do now?
You know, see, they write somewhere for Bible say, kingdom of God, they suffer, they with
violence.
Thank you. Violence. But you see, violence, then they take them by force. This night,
No, it's way because you people should not touch me. I will tell your father so. Don't touch me.
Come on, there's your word off, man.
I will tell my stepmother. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
It's yours.
Baby.
Chizona.
Hope they didn't touch you.
They wanted to rape me.
What? Those boys? But hope you are good. Hope they didn't touch you. Okay. So, but where are you going to this late?
To buy pepper.
Pepper?
My stepmother. She sent me.
Okay, don't worry. I'll go with you, okay?
Are you sure they will not come again?
To come and do what? To come... Let's go. Don't worry. You're safe, okay?
What is keeping this girl? Eh? Come on to go and buy me pepper. Will she die there? Hey! Munachi will not kill me in this village. Eh? This girl will not kill me in this village. What happened?
Mama, it's late. The woman has closed.
Oh, you mean to tell me you didn't buy the pepper?
I did not buy.
Monachi. So this is your plan. You want to avoid going to market tomorrow, okay? No. So you don't want me to prepare the sauce this night?
No, Mama, I will go early in the morning. It's late.
Shut up! What do you mean going early in the morning? That is late. Don't you know how to disturb people?
Oh, she has closed.
Closed what?
Nobody. I did not see anyone there.
Knock in her house. I don't want to see you here without that pepper. Because you must go to market tomorrow and make that money. Go.
Mama, please, now let me go tomorrow now. She has closed.
Oh, you think I'm playing with you?
I did not see anyone.
Come on. Go and buy it. I don't want to see you in this house this night without that pepper. You can sleep outside without that pepper. I don't care. She think I'm playing with her. She wants to avoid going to market tomorrow to sell. You must buy it. Without that pepper, don't come back here. Oh. Don't come back here. Who's there? Oh. Who's this person that is tormenting me? What have I done to you? I make no sense. Why are you following me? Why are you always tormenting me? Why are you always coming to me in my dreams? What have I done to you? Please leave me alone.
I am doing everything humanly possible to find that so-called little golden whatever. Yes. And I will not stop. I will not relent. Since Ezemo has said, I will provide it, I must provide it. Yes.
Shimobi, let me tell you. When a fly refuses to listen, it goes down with the corpse. And they bury it with the corpse. If you love yourself, you better listen to me as an elder, as your uncle. Because I'm seeing death. Death calling you. You better be careful.
Uncle.
Yes.
No one is going to die. Yes. And leave my mother out of this. Okay. Yes. I came back to find this little whatever secret thing. Yes.
Little whatever.
Yes.
Little
and
whatever.
I will find it.
Where are you going to start from? This is a box that was not stolen. A box that was not taken away to anywhere. This is a box that vanished from the palace to nowhere. Only the gods know. And you dare stand before us here and tell us that you will go and look for it and you will find it. Do you know how many souls that have gone out to go and look for the golden box and they could not find it? And you say you will find it. How?
Ichie,
how?
Give me time. Give me time and I will provide that little sacred whatever thing.
That little sacred, yeah.
The little golden thing.
Yes, Ichie.
My son, we wish you the best. As a matter of fact, we wish you the very best. But remember, no one outsmarts the gods.
Hey! Eh? Ka m gwa gị. Asị afụ m ekwu na-egbu oke. Mana ekwu m anụ na-egbu nwata. You are one.
I will find the box. You people can leave. Yes.
This boy do this way concerning this missing box. Let him not think that he can play fast one on the ghost.
Hey, I wonder, But how can Mazi Okolo's son return from Poland and start agitating to be king? I don't know. Giving us money to go and talk to Ezemo. Well, for me, I will collect the money. But if the gods strike, it's not my fault. My hands are clean.
Well, the question I'm asking myself is this. Where will it start from? Where? It's only the gods that knows where this thing is being kept to. It's only them.
You are correct. But me, I'm thinking that all these things are happening because the right person, the correct person, true one, to find this sacred golden box has not been born. Nor has he arrived in this our kingdom from wherever he is.
My brother, you are not far from the truth. What happened is this. Let us keep going. Let the God decide.
Okay.
Let them decide.
Okay. There's no problem. I even wish I'm the one that will find this golden box.
I'm not qualified to find it. That's my son.
That is my own wish.
I have good offer for you. I have decided to give you the sum of 5 million naira and brand new car. I want you to leave Monachi for me. I want to make her my queen.
My prince, you mean 5 million naira? And a brand new car? Eche?
Asị na agbala aka na-asa onye jiji a na-etinye ji na
eziokwu.
Ada agba aka efu nwata eze.
Odogwu?
I am royalty. And royalties don't make empty promises.
It's not possible.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the offer. I really appreciate it. My prince, my love for Muna is priceless. Eche, I cannot trade her for anything.
Wait. Eche? Italapu? Kokezegede. Your love for Muna is priceless. Yeah? Let me tell you. Nothing in this world is priceless. Even my throne, with $5 million, I will leave it for you. Yes.
Unfortunately, my love for Muna can't be bargained. My prince, don't worry. I will give you a positive answer. I will return to you with a positive answer. Don't worry, I will talk sense into his head. Eche. Bia. My prince.
Okay.
My prince.
Talk sense into your friend.
I will.
If it means taking him to a rehab, call me on phone. I will fund it.
I will do that.
But he must come back to his senses.
He must.
He must come back to his senses. He must come back to his senses.
He must come back to his senses. My prince, he's my friend. I know what to do.
5 million naira, your love, my love for this girl. Come sit down here.
Yeah, Madoka. Oh, Mua.
What have I done to you, Madoka?
To who?
Madoka.
Oh,
Madoka. Leave my son alone. Rapolomo, my son. Leave my son. You see that boy, eh? That boy will find that golden box and become king. Okay, for me, queen of this land. In fact, why are you so bitter about my progress? Why will you follow go?
Who said I'm bitter? Because I'm telling you to restrain your son from what nonsense he's doing. Is that why you're talking this trash? The little money he's getting from this drug business is chucking his middle of Langata. You're talking rubbish.
You see your life? Only you wear. So his money is now drug money.
Yes.
Okay? Hey.
Who doesn't know that their son is into illegal business? Everybody know now. Even that box, he can never see it because his hands are dirty. Not even like white as this white. He cannot see the box. He cannot. Dirty hands.
It's okay
for the immaculate white. He cannot see the box. Monka.
You see, you see that boy?
Yes.
My son will find the golden box and be crowned the king. And on that coronation day, okay?
Munka.
You will fall down and die.
Myself will die because I'm telling the truth. You will cry. Your son cannot be the king of
Hey! What is the
mother of the king?
Enemy!
You will see yourself.
Enemy of progress.
Munka.
Yes.
I'm a progressive man. What am I doing? I'm okay. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. Get out.
If I take out go. Enemy of progress. You will die. Envy. Onyala. Nonsense.
I don't know what she wants from me. She has been tormenting me in my dream.
How do you know she's a woman?
I felt her hand in my neck. And she touched me. I felt her breast. I know she's a woman. The thing now is that I don't know what she wants. I'm so scared. I've never been this scared in my life before.
It's alright, okay? It's okay. Look, I believe it's just a dream. It will pass.
I don't know what she wants. Ikemba, I don't know what she wants from me. Seriously. I don't know.
Chinto. Can I come and live with you?
Huh?
I do have where to stay. I had to sleep in the market yesterday. I didn't want to tell you because I didn't want to make it look like I'm taking advantage of your condition. But if it's not possible, it's fine. I would figure out.
No. You can come and stay. You did not tell me that you've been sleeping in the marketplace. That's not good now. When we have empty rooms here, it's not fair. You can come and stay with me. That one is not a problem.
I'm sorry. I didn't want to sound like I was taking advantage of your situation. But thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I promise not to do anything that will make you regret this. Thank you.
I won't regret it. Thank you for accepting to stay.
So, is somebody ready for today's sales?
Yes. I'll go and sell by myself today.
Then what will I be doing? Sitting at home?
Yes.
No, we'll go together. Just stay here. Let me get the goods ready. Just stay here.
So, are you for real?
Yes, I am. You saved me from their hands.
Wow. That means I am a Superman.
Yes, you are. Ogechi, thank you so much. Honestly, you're a good man.
And honestly too, you are a good woman.
Says by who?
Says by everyone.
I'm shy.
No, you don't have to. You
I'm
are.
shy.
Thanks, your
All
abacha
right.
is delicious.
Thank you.
My man.
My man.
Have fun now.
Bia Echeson, what did they worry you? Why they follow this girl up and down since you come this way? You never reach 2 months here. You know they follow woman.
Eh? Okay. Are you my boss? Are you the owner of this place? See, you cannot tell me who to follow or who not to follow. Yes.
So I'm not be your boss. You come here. You beg me. I remember the way he said they beg. Oh. You they beg. I allow you there with me. Now they carry shoulder for me.
See, I paid for this place, right?
You paid.
I paid.
How much you pay? How much you pay for this place? Come on, 100,000 naira. You don't they make noise. If say you be people who pay 1 million, that means say you go come on for this place. Yeah?
Okay. What is your problem? What is your problem?
I don't have a problem. It's you that
tell me, what is your problem?
Stop following these girls. Stop! Mind your business. You are here to work. Eh? We be boss. I be boss here. You will be boss. I don't want to see finish. Oh. Eh? Please, stop following this girl up and down. Eh?
See, okay. Munachi is our neighbor. And you cannot stop me from talking to her or to associate with her. Yes.
So you don't reach this one now. So I cannot tell you what to do. Yeah?
You cannot tell me.
Don't.
It looks like a prince.
Maybe look at it.
I told you. This guy. Welcome, my prince.
Good day. Who's in charge here?
I am.
Alright, my car is not selecting fine. So I was told to come to this place so someone can fix it for me.
You're in the right place.
Who can do it?
He can.
Can you do it?
I will fix it for you.
Are you sure you can do it?
I can do it. You don't have issue.
This is G-Wagon. Are you sure you can fix it?
You don't have problem. I'll fix it.
Alright.
Get to work. Get to work. Get to work immediately.
Hey, Mama to Mama. My sweetest and ever young mama.
Why were you not taking your call? You kept me worried.
Mama, I'm sorry. My phone was actually in my bag. In my bag. So
I was worried.
I'm here now. That's what matters.
Yes, that's the most important. And hope he took very good care of you. And he paid in full.
Mama, you don't trust me. You don't trust me. I begin to... Anyway, see what I bought for you. Ice cream. So you can use
only ice cream.
Don't worry, I know you like money. So I will give you the rest in cash. I'll transfer it to you.
Now you are talking. Why did they even give you a rubber spoon? I won't drink it with this rubber spoon.
No
it's
problem.
iron spoon that I want.
Anyhow you want to drink it, drink it. Mama, how about Munachi?
You are acting as if you are a visitor. Don't you know where she's supposed to be at by this time of the day? Market. Biko, you have to go inside, freshen up, because you am smelling man.
Mama!
Don't touch me, Biko.
Mama, I should not touch you.
Wash up first.
I will not give you the gist though. You see all the gist there?
After taking your bed, you can then come with gist.
Okay, no problem.
You tell me everything. Let me go inside and enjoy my ice cream first.
Okay, Mama. Hey. Okay, I'm coming. Mama! Mama, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Mama, this one is hot.
Another man?
Another one. Just the red trailer load. That's what I'm bringing now.
Another man?
I'm coming.
Make sure you get something big, oh. Hey! We gonna enjoy. We gonna... see, oh. This one now, 100,000 you will transfer to me, oh. Ha! Hey! This is my daughter. Today, this one. You have more than 20 boyfriends. None of them is coming to marry you. Make sure they marry you this time around, though. But first of all, to make the money is more important. Oh, I love you, Mama.
This is nice.
Thank you, sir.
Make one more for me.
Okay, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Munachiso.
Munachiso. I am Prince Cornell, Prince of Ahara Kingdom.
Wow. You mean you are the Prince of Ahara?
By the special grace of God, baby.
Oh, I see. Welcome, my
Make one
prince.
more for me, okay?
Okay, my prince.
You like this?
Yes, my prince. I love it. I like it.
All right.
No, come on, sit. Like in your place.
Mona, you know I love you. You know I'm ready to marry you today, tomorrow. All I want from you is to give me the chance to love you, to show you how much I love you.
Okay. I have told you that I don't want to have anything with anyone in this place. I am here to do my abacha business. If I do it, my stepmother will kill me.
Nobody will know. Are you going to tell her?
I know her very well. She will kill me.
She will know. She will not find out.
Okay, she will.
Except you are going to tell her. Just give me this chance to show you how much I love you. Do you know I'm always jealous whenever I see you move around with this Chesna? It's as if you want to take away my heart. Please.
Okay. You know what? Just let me think about it. Give me time.
What chance I made? Do you know you are too beautiful? Eh? Is Okusu your favorite? Because anytime I see you like this, you draw my attention. Please, my love. Nobody will know. It's just me and you that will know about this thing.
I know what.
Hey! So this is it. This is the bastard that have been making you keep late night. So this is the guy you've been spending all your hard-earned money on. And you come back home and you tell me there is no money, there is no work, and I'll be considerate as an understanding wife, Okechukwu. You are wicked!
Madam, not me. I'm not the one.
If I hear pain from you, I will tear you into two. You this man!
How many times have I warned you not to be coming to my workplace? Haven't I warned you not to be coming to this place? Why are you embarrassing me here?
Okay, you've not seen embarrassment. Hey, look at me. You see this man here? He's my husband. You see? As you can see, I'm pregnant for him. I don't want to see you anywhere around my husband again. If you don't want thunder and lightning to strike you to death, leave my husband alone. If you don't want another woman to take your husband from you and beat you on top of it, leave married men alone. Ashawo! Leave him alone. Woo! Kill me.
Kill you.
Kill me.
I told you it will work. Finally, he confirmed it.
You did. You are amazing. You're my beautiful, sweet, caring. Nobody can compare you. My beautiful queen to be.
You are going to be king and I am going to be queen. Together, we shall fly to Poland and have all the access that we need to anything that we want. We shall make money, more money, and money.
Come on.
Money.
Let's start the world.
Money. Up and money.
Let's start the world.
Yes,
Let me
baby.
give you a treat.
Lots of
My
money.
baby.
Yes.
Spend my money.
That's it.
More money is
That's
coming.
it.
We are going to reap the kingdom.
That's it. That's it. Too much money.
Spend my money.
Too much money.
the money.
That's it.
Come on.
Come
on.
Hey.
Come on.
Hey. I'm going to be queen. I'm going to be queen.
You are the queen.
Oh my
Already.
goodness.
Come on.
I can't wait to be queen.
Yeah, and this year. How did he find it? How? I still wonder.
Yeah, but the gods have confirmed it. You heard Ezemo saying that he's going to crown him on the Eke Market Day. Is it not? And he said he has found the little sacred golden box. So,
Moreover, the whole village are jubilating and singing a new song for a new king. Something that had never happened for the past 35 years. I think we are very lucky. From my own point of view, I am of the opinion that we should stop pondering and wondering how it happened. Rather, let us focus on that coronation and make it to be successful.
you are right. Huh? But this is so unbelievable. Very, very.
Anyway, the heart of man is desperate. I'm happy for him and I wish him the best.
So also myself.
Yeah, I learn.
Nkwọchanụ. I ate it on.
Yeah, they've been nkwọchanụ.
Okay, let's see.
So that is it.
So you're saying without the golden box, no one can become king?
Yes, it is the sacred power from the throne.
And it has vanished for this long?
Yes. My grandmother told me that the last king who had it in his possession committed an incest. He raped a girl, killed her. He tried covering his ugly deed. But the gods are wise. They struck him a day before the festive period. He died. His wife died, including his 2 children.
Wow. This is powerful.
Yes, very powerful. And the palace has been empty since then. It is believed that whoever have the golden box in possession, he or she will be crowned the king or the queen of this kingdom.
And that person must be really lucky.
I don't think so.
Why?
Never mind. Let me check on the food. You're supposed to be hungry now.
Yeah, should I help you?
No, don't worry, I'm fine. I know my way.
Hello? Good afternoon. I am fine. Yes. My day is going well. Please, can I ask you something? Okay. Are you married? You are not. Are you sure? No, nothing. I just want to know if you are married. I believe you. Alright. But are you aware Ogoke is married? You know? No, I thought he's single. He once told me he's not married. But anyway, that is bygone. Alright. Yeah, tomorrow. Please, can I call you back later? My stepsister is back. Alright, she's coming. Sis, you are back. Welcome. Sis, welcome. Sis, welcome.
Where's my mother?
She went to see her friend.
Have you washed all the dirty clothes I asked you to wash?
Yes.
I mean the ones I left in my room.
Yes, they are the backyard.
Have you cleaned my room? Like clean. No dirt.
I have done that. Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. You can go and check.
I can go and check. Yeah. This morning. Go and buy me pad. The blue one.
Okay.
And make sure you come back on time, oh. Right. If you like, stand on the road and start talking to boys. Eh? So you don't die young and follow your mother.
Am I falling in love with him? He has been doing everything for me without expecting anything in return. That is so nice of him. Since he came into this house, I have stopped having that nightmare. I now have peace. Is this a sign? Is he a God sent to me?
G, I've put your water in the bedroom, so you can go and take your bath right now.
Hey, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll be inside my room. If you need anything, please let me know.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Do you need help?
No.
Okay.
I'm okay.
I'll be inside.
Okay.
Let's put this with all. Chimtwa. Chimtwa. Chimtwa, what is it? Why are you looking worried?
I'm fine.
Chimtwa, I can see you clearly. It's written all over your face. Why are you worried? Talk to me. What is the problem?
Ikemba.
Yeah, I'm here.
Ikemba.
I'm here. I can hear you.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Look at me.
Chimtwa, I'm looking at you.
Are you looking at me?
Mm-hmm.
Your face.
I'm looking at you.
Please don't lie to me. You wash my clothes. You clean the house. You fetch water for me. You sell my akpu. You make life easy for me.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you doing this? All these things? Is it because of my condition? Are you pitying me?
Chimswa now. No. A friend is supposed to be a friend. Condition or no condition. I'm only doing all these things just to make life easy for you. So stop bothering. Yes, is it because of these things you're looking worried like this?
Are you looking at me?
I'm looking at you.
You're telling me the truth.
Of course I am. So at least you can rest.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Amen.
So you are my friend.
I'm your friend now. I'm not your friend.
You are my friend. Thank you, my friend. You're smiling.
I'm smiling. Chimtu, I'm smiling. I'm going to see my face.
I'm sorry, my prince. I will have to go now. No, my sister sent me to an errand.
No. Wait, please. Monachi, I like you so much. I know my word will be a huge surprise to you. But I'm already in love with you. Yes. And I've digged into your life. I found out that you're staying with your wicked stepmother. And your dad left her because of that. And she's the one sending you to go and hawk abacha. I also found out that Okechukwu wants to sleep with you. That is the reason he's giving you space to sell in their workshop. Am I right?
No, you are not wrong.
Monachi, I came back from the States looking for a woman I will call my own. A woman that will be my queen. Yes. Both of us are almost in the same position. I have no father, no mother. But I will soon be crowned a king. But my people want me to present a wife before then. And I have found you. Please. Yes.
Excuse me, Prince. I have to go now.
Monachi. Monachi.
Me, Mona, a queen? Is he joking or what? How can that be possible?
What is the matter?
My mind is beating so fast. And my body is shaking. I don't know why.
Am I scaring you or something?
No. I feel comfortable around you.
Oh, is that why you asked if I'm married?
I told you what I encountered with Ogoke's wife.
Yes, you did. What's up on your mind? Why did you ask?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Hey, don't try to lie to me. Tell me, what's up on your mind?
I like you. I am sure to say it.
You like me or you love me?
Goodbye. Just hey, me your place.
No! Mupuna!
Mama?
Munachi, I saw you standing with one man. Who was that man I saw you with? He was with a big car. What was he telling you?
Nothing, Mama. He just a customer.
Will you shut up and tell me the truth? The way both of you were standing does not look like a customer. Both of you look like lovers. Oh! So you have now graduated from dating village touts to big men. Okay?
No, Mama. I'm not doing any big man.
Who was he?
He's a prince. Prince of Ahera Kingdom.
Eh? Jesus. A prince. Is he married? Does he have a queen? What is he doing in this our kingdom?
He said he likes me and wants to marry me.
Eh?
No, Mama. I did not say anything to him. I walked away. I swear I did not say anything to him. I walked away.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
How can I look at him? Where can I see him? Do you have his contact?
No, I don't have it.
I don't trust you. Where is your phone? Give me your phone.
It's inside.
Go and bring your phone. Bring it. And make sure you don't delete anything, oh. Did you hear me? Okay, Mama. Anyway, if you delete it, I will know. If you delete anything, I will know. A prince in this our kingdom. Hey. That is good. How can I see him?
He comes to my stand and buy abacha.
Every day or...
Not every day. Not always. Sometimes.
Okay. See, any other day he comes to buy abacha from you, you have to tell him that you have nothing to answer him until he sees your mother. Do you hear me?
Okay, Mama, I will tell him.
Make sure you tell him, if you love your life. Oh. If not, I will make sure I kill you. You join your mother.
I will tell him.
Okay. Oh yeah. Go inside. Make sure you wash those clothes. After washing the clothes, those plates in the sink, wash it. You hear me?
Okay.
Then after washing them, you cook. After cooking, dish our food and set it on the dining. Then call me. I will come and eat.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, a prince.
Mother, wait. Mona, I know you find out so many things about me. But I'm sorry about the other day. Please. I don't know what's wrong with that girl. I don't know why she would do that to me. I don't even love this girl. Yes, I don't even love her. She's the one forcing herself on me. She's not even beautiful like you. Please, I'm sorry about that, please.
Hi. Wonders shall never cease. Wait to go, okay? After the insult your wife gave to me, you are here telling me to do what with you? Please, I am not interested in doing anything with a married man. Let's just be friends and I mind my business. Aside that lady is so beautiful. Stick to her. Make her whatever you want her to be. You might not value what you have until you lose it. Please, I'm begging you. Stick to her. I'm done with you.
Ijoma has finished me. This girl has finished me. See somebody that was supposed to be by now, supposed to know where we're there. Eh?
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday, huh? Happy birthday once more.
Thank you, Ikem.
Yeah.
I was singing happy birthday to myself.
Mhm.
That's how I used to sing to myself every year.
Yeah.
Because it's only me and myself.
I know this year is not just only you, okay? I got a cake for you. Yes.
A cake?
Yes.
A cake?
It's yours. Look at it.
You buy me cake?
Yes.
Happy birthday to me. Cake. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Kim. Kim, thank you.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Yeah.
Kim, hi. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You deserve a cake. You deserve it all. No, no. This is a happy time. Don't cry. Don't cry now. Eh?
No, it's just that nobody has ever bought me a cake before in my life.
It's okay. Now you have a cake, you're not crying. You want to spoil the mood. It's your birthday. Oh.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, why don't you make a wish? Yes.
I know you want me to wish for my sight to be restored, right?
Of course, no. That's like the utmost thing right now, for your sight to be restored.
When I am queen.
Queen, I don't understand.
It was my grandmother's greatest wish that when I'm being crowned the queen, my sight will be restored to me. Mamoko, why do you always call me a queen?
Mom, because you are...
I am not from the royal family. Mamoko. Okay, fine, Mamoko. When I am crowned the queen of this kingdom, how will I rule? I am blind. I cannot see anything.
Soon, my daughter, you shall regain your sight. That's my prayer and sacrifice to the gods. The crown shall be upon your head, and you shall regain your sight.
Mamoko, you have a way of making me feel special. I love you so much. I am happy you are my grandmother.
You are special to me. And I'm equally happy to have you as a granddaughter.
That is it. That is what she has always told me.
But you are aware that there is a king that's about to be crowned in this kingdom?
Yes, I know, I'm aware. But I don't know how it's going to happen. I just believe. Because my grandmother's words are always true. I believe so much in her words. So I just want to believe in her word.
Well, Chimtua, if your grandma believes you're a queen, then you're a queen. Look, Chimtua, you're very beautiful. You're smart. So, I think I knew what she meant when she said you're going to be a queen.
No, you are seeing it from another perspective. My grandmother's words are true. You won't understand. I see through her words.
Huh?
They are true. I believe so much in her words.
Alright. Hey, enough of... Hey, easy.
Okay.
Enough of all this, okay? I think it's time we have a taste of this cake. This is your cake, okay? So I'm going to open it right now. Okay. Oh, wow, this is nice. Hey. Hold on, so you don't spoil it. Chimtua, hold on. Don't pass it. So wait, hold on, let me cut the cake.
Nice.
Smells nice, yeah?
Yes. I like it.
Okay. I'm gonna cut a little bit. Okay, just hold on.
It's been very long. I tasted cake last.
Hold on.
Since when we went for Nani, which is
It's your
daughter's
cake.
wedding.
It's your cake. Hold on. Let me give you small.
No, not small.
You want big?
Give me, yes.
You want big?
Cut it from here.
Hold
Cut
on.
it from.
Wait. She hold on first.
Give me now.
Oh, yeah, wait. Hold
Give
on.
me. Big one.
Big one.
Yes.
Okay. Where's your hand? See,
Happy
big
birthday
cake.
to me.
Big cake.
It's big cake.
Yes, so it's big one.
Big.
Easy. Hey, chick. It's. Okay, let me have a taste of this cake.
It's sweet.
It's
sweet.
Easy. Hey, easy. What happened?
You block my throat.
You block Easy. Let me get you water. Okay. Let me get water. I'm coming. Like it? She's small now. Hey, you stain your whole mouth with cake. I'm coming. Let me get water.
My friends, like I was saying, you see Monachi is not the kind of girl you will wish to marry. She has this marine spirit that disturbs her from time to time. And when that spirit starts to manifest, my prince, you cannot stop it too. You will leave her and run away.
Listen, I have enough money to take care of any kind of sickness. I can even take her to a pastor or prophet to deliver her.
My prince, you are not getting it right. You don't seem to understand what I'm trying to explain to you. See, there is no pastor, no prophet, no spiritual man in this our community and in the next one that I have not taken her to. Still, all efforts proved abortive. I'm even sorry to say that I have taken her to a native doctor. Still no remedy. I even forgot this one. There is this sickness that runs in their lineage. That sickness killed the mother and the two brothers. Epilepsy. Yes. Just imagine having a queen that is epileptic. How will you see it? Will it not be shameful and disgraceful? My prince, it's better you forget about her. She's not good enough for you. Not at all. Mbano.
So what are you saying in essence?
Now you have landed, you have come to where I've been waiting for you. I have this beautiful daughter. Hi! Ijelenwa. Okolo Kalesia. Elebelebe jolo. Well packaged, front and back. If you see this, my daughter, if you see her color, she glitters like morning rose. Hi! She can wash, she can cook, she can arrange everything, everywhere in the palace. You don't need to worry yourself about her.
If you come to the palace, we'll have lots of maids in the palace. Made in Korea, made in Japan, even made in China. So I don't think we need more maids. Okay?
No, my prince, I'm not talking about maids. What I'm trying to explain to you here is that she is a very reserved, humble, and responsible girl that you can make her your queen. Yes, most importantly, she loves God and things of God. She has respect for God. She's a church goer, not only going to church, but implying it in her character, the things she read from the Bible. That is the type of woman you need
so
as
where
a
is
wife.
she?
As a very, very responsible girl that loves God, she's in the church. If you don't mind, where is my phone?
No. Hold on.
Let me call her so you can...
No, hold on. Calm down. Leave her for now. I will think about it. Probably next time when I come, I will see her. Yes.
Okay, you come next time to see her.
Probably.
Okay, my prince. Okay, my prince, You will regret marrying her. Yeah, that's my daughter. Very beautiful. And well, her character has no comparison. Oh, she's very, very beautiful and attractive.
I will see to that.
So, what did the prince say?
He said he likes me and wants to marry me and make me a queen.
Wow! Like seriously? Come on! So, see, but what did you not say to him? You know, he's handsome, wealthy, and also a prince.
Ogechi, how do you mean?
You're asking me how do I mean? Don't you know, no woman would like to meet such a golden opportunity.
I am not even thinking about him. He's not in my mind.
Munachi, I guess you don't want to miss this opportunity.
Ogechi, please. Can we stop this topic? I don't like it.
It's okay.
Wait too. Ogechi, how can you speak good English and you're a mechanic?
I went to school now. I studied mechanical engineering in school.
Okay, I see. That's good, I like it.
Thank you. Thank you. What's
Ogechi, no but talk another thing. Just leave it. Say another thing.
Are you sure?
Yes, I don't want to discuss it.
Mama, you don't mean it. Wait, are you serious?
Very, very serious.
So when is he going to come?
He said very, very soon. That was what he told me.
Oh my God. Mama. Mama, wait. So you asked him to forget about Munachi and marry me?
What will I not do for my daughter? So how will I leave my beautiful, pretty, gorgeous, captivating, provocating, adorable, my classic girl? How will I allow him to leave you and allow him to marry that wicked girl? That stupid, senseless, useless, and foolish girl. I will do anything to make sure that my daughter is what? Okay and happy.
Oh, Mama, you make me blush. Mama, I'm so happy. Mama, I love you so much. Mama, you're the best. You are the best. Mama, guess what? I cannot wait to be the queen of Ayala Kingdom.
And your mother here. I cannot wait to be the queen mother.
I trust
if you see the way I will dress, I will just catch up like this, stay like this. I'm gonna come.
So
I'm gonna pass my gun. No, mother queen. Neko, but tell me, on a serious note, this one is very, very important. On a serious note, you see this your waka waka, this your runs girl, this your loitering around with men, following 101 men at a time. You have to stop it. Biko, I told him that you are a church girl. So that he will be interested. I told him you're a very decent girl. So don't spoil this mission, though.
Okay, you have done well, no problem. I will stop. You want me to stop, Abby?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I will stop now.
This one now is more important to being a queen. It's more than picking these 100 and 200,000 from different men.
Mama, I've heard you. Can you imagine? Look at me, the queen.
In the making. Very soon. I convinced him and he bought the idea.
Mama, this one that you did, you deserve some accolades. I will give you something big.
Something big?
Hey!
Change it to money. Transfer to my
I know
account.
you like money. I just wanted to ask you for it.
You know your mother lost money.
Hey, Mama, be calming down. Be calming down, no problem.
Please, transfer.
Yeah, now. I've opened the pull your account.
Anybody here? Is anybody here? Ikemba, is that you? Who is that? Who is here? Is anybody here?
Mama. Sister.
Long live the Queen of Ahera Kingdom. You're welcome.
It's okay. You're my family. Come, Mama.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. I've missed you.
Missed you. What of the prince?
It's fine. Thank you.
Oh my God.
I've missed you.
Oh, Papa. My daughter.
I am sorry I stayed away from you. I am sorry I stayed away from you. I'm very sorry, my
Papa,
daughter.
it's okay.
Sorry,
It's okay.
sorry,
It's okay.
sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. Oh, shall we go inside?
Please.
Yes, everything is there. Guys, bring us everything. Papa, me Queen. Papa, I missed you. I missed you so much. And I dream all day to see you again. So when I become a queen, my father will not be there. God, why? When am I going to see my father again? I've missed him so much.
Agakala kaderi wangwara Agakala kaderi wangwara Agakala kaderi wangwara Oya kota baburo dike Agakala kaderi wangwara Okirikiri kana bukwose Amuwa voncha The great teacher Amwa will great teacher The great Ncha. The great Ncha. Adanya batu na bata. Ana manunun. Kiri kiri kade kiri adita kiri adida nyazu. O kiri kiri kana bukwa sadari yanu. Omu wa unchanun. Nchani mencha. The great Ncha. Makana aga kara kade rinwa ngwaran. Oga akara ka erugo kwanun. Ọ ya bịara ka anyị na-eme. Ihu nu si anyị mee ka anyị na-eme. Ọmụ ahụ ncha n'ime ncha. My son, you are now 45. You are powerful. No man, no ghost, no mortar will harm you. Even the gods of your own land, I have tied them. I have blinded them from seeing you. You shall be the king and rule forever and ever. Yes, I am great Ncha. Nchanemencha. Nchanemencha. I am the one that collect meat from a mouth of a lion. The one that crossed the rivers infested with crocodile and never get a scratch for one day. My son, you are too powerful to be destroyed.
Thank you, great one.
Huh? Kiri kiri kane kiri oduda ni odu. My son, come here. Onye ka oge abụrụ dike. My son,
which one?
You are now a lion. My son,
great one.
This beads on your neck will continue, will be, as long as you remain the king of your kingdom.
Thank you, Great One.
You are welcome.
The Great Ncha. The Great Ncha. I am grateful.
You are welcome.
You have done well for me. I shall reward you handsomely when I become the king of my kingdom. Yes, I shall visit you with 7 live cows. This is me. Yes, I will do it.
My son.
Thank you, Great One.
My son.
Great
I
One.
believe you.
Thank you.
I know what you can do. My son, go and do your coronation in peace. I, the great Ncha, Ncha, is suddenly behind you, my son. You may now go.
Great One.
My son.
Thank you.
So you're a virgin?
Yes.
I'm sorry for what I did.
Sorry for what? You don't need to be sorry. It's just that...
It's just that what?
It's just that I am in love with you. I love you so much.
Are you sure?
Yes. You don't love me.
I love you too. I love you so much.
Thank you. Please, don't ever leave me, please. You promise to always be there for me.
I promise to always be here for you. Look, I promise to be your eyes, your legs, your everything.
I love you so much. Though I'm blind, but I see through you. Thank you for everything you have been doing for me. You took me far away from pain and misery. You've been there for me. You've made life easy for me. Thank you so much for being there for this orphan. I don't know what to say to you, but I bless God for making our path cross. Thank you. I love you so much.
Thank you for trusting me with your heart. Okay? I love you so much too. I love you, Chi. Love you. Alright, go to bed. Good night.
Huh? Where are you going to?
I want to go to my room.
No. Stay with me small.
I should stay here?
Yes.
Alright.
You have beards. I like your beards.
You do?
Yes.
I did not see share today.
Hey! Yes, so. Hey! Yes, so. Tomorrow, my son will become your king. Yes. And all of you that hated I and my family will have no choice but to bow to us. Yes, you will soon bow to my son, who will become the king. And he will rule over you Arala elders, old fools.
Can you imagine, dear woman, are you calling the elders of this land fools? Have you gone mad?
What are you? You are worse than a fool. In fact, a cook. If you do anyhow, my son will teach you a lesson you will never forget. On your Allah.
Hey, this woman has gone mad, oh. Onyarale.
Okay, but Onyala,
Hey, Onyara.
But you see, you have time, oh. Eh? Did you hear me talk to her? So, look at that. I pity her fellow woman when the son becomes the so-called king.
Hey!
Look at her posing as maybe she has won trophy.
Hey!
It's an idiot.
Iche!
A scallywag.
Iche!
A bisaga.
Your brother's wife has gone mad, oh.
What am I doing? I don't have anything to do.
Your brother's wife has gone mad.
So tomorrow we are going to be crowned king and queen of this great, beautiful kingdom. Oh my goodness. We are going to bask in the glory and the mighty.
Yes, my darling. Tomorrow, you and I will rule the people of Uhuala Kingdom.
Oh my goodness.
And we'll bask in glory. From glory
to glory. You know, I cannot wait for tomorrow to come. Honestly, I cannot wait for you to be king and I will be queen.
Baby, tomorrow we'll rule the people of Uhuala Kingdom.
My goodness. You know what? Let's toast to greatness.
To greatness.
Mm-hmm.
To you and I.
You'll be king and I'll be queen.
To greatness. Come on. You look amazing.
Thank you.
Mamoko, is that you? Mamoko? Mamoko? I can feel your presence. Mamoko, is that you? Mamoko?
Chitoram.
Mamoko?
Chitoram. I don't like what you are doing. I am angry with you.
Mamoko, I don't understand. Why are you angry with me? What did I do?
The surface of a foam water looks neat. No doubt about it. Why? Yutora, why? How dare you allow him to touch you? How dare you allow him to take away your pride? How dare you, my granddaughter? Well, the point is that you are not observing.
Observing? Mamoko, did you say observing? I am madly in love with him. And he loves me too, Mamoko. He's the only one I have in this world. You left me. And I have been lonely. And he came into my life to give me hope again. And now you're telling me, why did I? You're telling me I am not observing?
Send him away. Send him away. Stop this madness. Take him out of your life. Send him away.
Mama Nuko! Mama Nuko! Mama Nuko! Mama Nuko! Mama Nuko! Mama Nuko!
Are you okay?
It's Mama Nuko.
What happened?
Mama Nuko. Mama Nuko, she appeared to me in my dream.
In your dream?
Yes. She was so angry. She was very, very angry at me.
Well, but your grandmother was always happy with you. Eh? I'm sure she can't make you sad or angry, you know. I don't think it's your grandmother.
You are right. I'm sure she's not the one. It's like it's that evil spirit that has been tormenting me when I was alone in this house. Maybe she wants to pursue you so that she'll start tormenting me back.
Come. Look, come. I promise. I would always be here with you. I'm never leaving you. Okay?
You'll never leave me.
I will never leave you. I love you.
Thank you. You promise that you'll never leave me.
I'm here now. I will never leave you.
You'll be with me. Please don't leave me.
I won't leave you. Okay. I come back to bed.
Hold me.
Okay. Let's go.
Hold me back.
Easy. Yeah, easy.
Have you locked the door?
Yes, I've closed. I've closed the door.
I love you, Ikem.
I love you too.
Thank you so much, Ikem, for coming into my world.
I would be your vision, okay? And you'll be my queen. You will indeed be a great queen. I love you.
Kiss me again.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Monarchy. It's you I want. Your stepmother wants me to get along with your stepsister. But it's not possible. You are the one I love. You are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Please, accept me. I will do anything. Just mention it to make you happy. Please.
And my prince, I don't want to make you feel bad, but...
But you are scared of your stepmother? Come on, Monarchy. I am a prince. Just say yes. Everything is settled. Please.
I am not scared of her. I love someone else. I have feelings for him, and I don't want to hurt myself.
You are not hurting yourself. Rather, you will enjoy it more. This opportunity 1,000,001 girls out there are looking for. Please, don't misuse this opportunity. I'm a prince, and I will soon be crowned a king. And definitely, if I'm crowned a king, automatically you are a queen. Please.
I'm sorry, my prince. I need to go now. I'm sorry about that.
Wait. Monarchy. Monarchy.
I love you. And I will never stop telling you that I love you. Think about it. Think about it.
Muna, I am sorry. I am very sorry. I am sorry if I hurt you. I'm very sorry.
You don't love me, do you?
I love you. I was waiting for the perfect time to tell you this. I love you, Muna. And I don't want you to feel unwelcome.
I love you, Echezona. I love you.
I love you more.
Wow. Your room is quite royal and exquisite. Wow. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. This is beautiful. Here. Here.
Nice one.
You know, from the first day that you came to my house, I said to myself, wow, what a handsome man. Mm. Mm. Relax. You know, you and I can actually make a beautiful kingdom.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, I love that. You're so cute. What a handsome prince. So charming. Oh, give me a kiss. Mm. Okay. Come here. Let's skip this. And let's get down to business. Relax. Calm down. Now, why don't I take you to my own beautiful, beautiful kingdom?
Wow.
Yes.
Have your own kingdom?
Yeah, of course I do. Right here. And here. Everywhere. Come, I'll show you. Oh, okay.
Chi? See, your cortex is already fading off little by little.
It's been 4 months since I painted it last. The woman that paints it for me in the market, she has given birth.
Oh.
So I've not been able to paint my nails since then. So I've been using this one.
Well, guess what?
What?
I bought a new cortex.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
You're so observant.
I figured now, I checked around and I said, okay, let me get a new cotters for you and change the one on your feet.
Okay.
Let me go inside and get it, okay?
Okay.
Just stay, I'm coming. Aha. Yes. Wait for me.
Okay. That's so thoughtful of you. Mamuko! Mamuko, is that you? Mamuko! Is that you? Mamuko? Mamuko?
You have never disobeyed me for once, Kitoram.
Mamuko, what is
Why
it?
are you grooming your pen? Why?
Mamuko, what do you mean by why am I grooming my pain? I don't understand.
Send this boy out of your life. Send him out.
I can't do that, Mamuko. I love him so much. I know you. I know you, familiar spirits. You have been the one tormenting me in my dream. And now you've used the familiar spirits to come torment me? You think you can use Mamuko to torment me? You lie.
I can see. I can see you are in love.
Yes. I am madly in love with Ikemba. And there is nothing you can do about it. I know my Mamuko. She always wants me to be happy. So whatever makes me happy, makes her happy.
Time will turn. A time shall come when we will know if I'm happy or not.
Go!
Until then, I shall not visit again.
Go away! Go and never return here to torment me. Go! I said go! Go! Go!
Chi, I'm here. Are you okay? It's okay, I'm here. Are you okay? Eh?
I had a dream. She appeared again. This time she came using my grandmother's face.
Again? Are you for real?
She was angry that I'm in love with you.
It's okay.
Obim.
I'm here.
Promise me that you will never hurt me.
Are you scared I'll do that? Are you?
No, I just want you to promise me that you will never leave me.
Look, I promise you, over and over again, I would never leave you. In hard time, in good time, in all times. You are mine and I'm yours. It's okay.
elders of Uhuala Kingdom, here we are. Today is a great day in the history of our land. In accordance with tradition and dictates of the gods, whoever that finds the sacred missing box will automatically become the king of this kingdom. Chimo bin Naya, an illustrious son of this soil, has found the box, the sacred golden box. Ana no bos nano. Ekene ori afonko. Okuko tu oni ngoro ya. Asimo okuko tu oni ngoro ya. Nke mba ka nga ekwu, nke ma na mma ekwu. I, the chief priest, the wisdom of this great kingdom, with the powers vested upon me, will do the needful. What is required to be done on a new king, after which we will all join our people out there for the ceremony proper and merriment. By the power vested on me, I'll crown you Dikeji Ejemba, one of our kingdom. Chimobin Naya, you are hereby crowned Dikeji Ejemba, one of this great kingdom.
Oh my God. Baby, help me please. Oh my goodness. Please wake up, don't do this to me. Oh my...
What have you done? What have you done? What have both of you done? Speak! Confess! Ask the gods! The gods!
I'll talk. We were desperate for the throne. So we fabricated the golden box. We didn't find anything there. We lied.
Hi.
Hey, wonder shall never end. Chi, my love. Chitwa. Hey. Ekushiri. My love. Chi? Where did she go to now? Hello. What's this? You are here. Hello. You are here. Chi? Guinea, are you okay?
No. I've been feeling very weak and tired. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm not getting myself at all.
Weak and tired?
Yes.
When did this one start, Con?
I thought you were supposed to be in the palace for the coronation. What are you doing here?
My love, wonders shall never end. Guess what?
What happened?
The new king is dead.
It's a lie.
Would I be lying to you?
It's a lie.
Before I got to the palace, I just saw people running. I was wondering what is happening here. I had to ask questions. They said that thunder just strike the king because he brought a fake box. A fake one. I'm telling you.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you. I mean it though. The news is everywhere now in this village. In fact, some people are even running back to the palace now to go and see what's happening. Baby. Sorry. Are you still vomiting? Hey! And you know what? Let me get you water. Wait, let me get you water. Wait, let me get you water. Hey, gee.
Good for him. Yes. I said G-O-O-D. Good for him. You see now? But we want him.
Yes.
We seriously want that stupid boy.
Exactly.
But he refused to listen. Look at what he has done to himself now. Everything now ended in death.
Hey! As I rightly said, the stubborn fly always end up in the grave with the corpse.
Exactly.
Neck and my late brother's wife. She will see herself through now.
Hey.
Yes.
After all her boasting, after all she said about her son becoming king. Hey! Look at this life.
Oh, Conrad.
You know, I'm surprised. How could this boy think of taking this kind of deadly risk? What went inside his brain? And he allowed woman to brainwash him.
Yes.
Brainwash
Chineke.
Neka has lost her son, her only son.
That's true.
And definitely she has to leave our family because she's of no use to us this time. Can you hear me? Anyway, she has to leave.
That's true.
I say na alosi ni nwe hile. We want to.
We want to.
Chase her away. I support you. Try her. Also kwelu.
I got some where they will sweep off her.
So you are sweeping her away.
Let's see local one. Guy from a bar. We will see at the bar.
At the bar. At the bar.
This calls for celebration now. This calls for celebration.
As I am talking to you right now, Him the Prince Nasiki.
Hey, you don't mean it.
Mama, are you telling me? I say I have the prince under my pants.
Hey! You mean he has fallen for you already?
One time. All that I'm waiting for now is to just get pregnant for him and force him to marry me immediately. ASAP!
That is the mission. You got to go? Yes, sir. So, make him do what? Put something there.
Yes, so Mama.
As I am talking to you, do you know who I'm looking at?
Mama.
The next queen of Ahara Kingdom.
I know.
I know.
Imagine me.
Hey. What do I owe you? If not for me to be clearing road for you, and you will be doing what? Following. You go there, go. I go there, follow you.
Mama.
My sexy queen. And Mama Sarah.
Oh, Mama, thank you so much. You have done so well. Thank you. I couldn't have done this without you. You're everything. Thank you, Mama.
Do I have another daughter? You are my only daughter. I will be clearing road for you to go while I follow. Okay. Amalicha Nwam. Amama Salu. Olubajie boys. Elebelebe John. Looking yash killing good. World package up and down. Pretty baby. Captivating queen. Ichele wanye. Okchako Maria. Ya pura anwo. Naga. Oya, they go. Let me follow you. If I they call you, they go. Amalicha Nwam. Ichele wanye. Olubajie boys. My hype looking yash looking good. Killing good. Look at the one. Hey. Packaging. Front. Down. Back.
But why didn't you accept his proposal?
I love to follow my heart.
But according to you, you saw yourself as a queen. Your stepmother and your stepsister are bowing to you. And to make matters more interesting, your father, which you missed for so long, showed up.
Yes.
But that's...
Can we not talk about this? The fact is, Eche, I am in love with you. And I want to dwell where I find peace.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand.
Okay. You know I'm the one that accommodated you in this mechanic shop. So you're supposed to be giving me my respect.
God, am I not respecting you? Okay, Chuku, what is your problem?
My problem is I don't want you to be going close to that girl. Stop going to that girl's place. Stop sitting with her. Eh? Don't you know that we are bosses in this place? I Boga. Stop going there.
Listen. Bosses or no bosses, you cannot tell me who to mingle with.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. But what is even your issue with that girl?
Okay.
What's the problem?
There is no problem. Just stop going to that girl's place. I'm warning you. Because you know that girl has bad mouth. So I don't want when this girl will insult you now. You will come here and start crying and be doing I won't listen to you. I will not. Are you done?
Yes. Let me continue. That was because
tight that thing very well. Tight.
Then go and do your homework.
Mona, you know I'm the one that gave you this space. You know I'm the one that made you popular. That even though anybody that entered this workshop will eat your abacha. And you are paying me with evil.
Okay. What evil are you talking about? Please, I want to know. How?
You want to know?
Yes.
First, I asked you for a date. You say no. I don't complain, no. And I'll say, let us be sorry. Let us do just one night stand. You go your way, I go my way. You still say no, and you're in my workshop. I'm ready selling about up and down. On the way me well.
Hey! My good Lord. Okay. How can a married man like you be asking me to lay with you?
Does it mean?
Hi.
Does it mean? Does it mean anything?
Yes, it means.
No. We still have some married men in this area that has side chick. It won't do anything. I don't want one. Even if me I start doing, nobody will know. Just
Wait. Do you think I can be a side chick to you or anyone? Me, Monachi. Okay. Let me spell it out to you. Okay. I appreciate the privilege you gave to me to be selling my bacha here. But the fact is, I am in love with someone else. And I can never cheat on him.
Yeah? You are in love with someone else? Oh yeah, who is that person?
Ogechezona.
Yeah?
Yes. We love each other. And I won't have anything to do with you. Excuse me.
My love, my prince, when are you coming to see my people? You know that we've come a long way now.
Long way?
I mean, we've had this thing and bond going on for some time now.
Are you kind of desperate
No,
or?
no. My prince, come on now. Don't talk like that. It's just that I just want to know where I stand.
If you don't know where we are standing beside my car, beside my white G-Wagon. Are you too blind to see it?
My prince. My love, come on. What's the problem? You sound so ironically and so upset. What is it? Talk to me. I'm here for you.
It's barely 1 month we met each other. We still need time to know each other very well. And in 3 months' time, I'll be crowned the king. The last time I spoke with your mother, I told her I don't like a God that is too churchy. She told me that, no problem. You work on it. All of a sudden, you turned into a party clubbing girl. Or are you kind of playing or what?
No. My love. My prince. The love of my life. The thing is that I just want to be able to please you and satisfy you at the same time.
Please me no more. Please me no more. You have your life to live. Live your life the way it pleases you. You don't live your life to please someone else. Yes, if I'm loving you, I am loving you for who you are, not whom you are pretending to be.
I get it, my prince.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Don't be overwhelmed, don't be carried away. This is spiritual, it's beyond you, my dear. Don't be overwhelmed, don't be carried away. This is spiritual, it's beyond you, my dear. Don't be overwhelmed, don't be carried away. This is spiritual, it's beyond you, my dear. Don't be overwhelmed, don't be carried away. This is spiritual, it's beyond you, my dear.